and so Tori. Okay, so my name is. What's my name again? Your name is Tori. Okay, so my name is Tori, apparently. And I got short hair because this girl here cut my hair. I don't like it because it's way too short, girl. Look at my hair. But I did my eyebrows today. I painted my nails. They're pretty pink. So yeah. Today we're gonna teach you how to make the ratchetest thing ever, which is gonna be what are we making again? I don't know. You told me nothing about this. Oh yeah, that's right. Let me go get my baby. Okay, so apparently so my baby, I was gonna make a thingy-majig, whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called, so we're just gonna call it cake face. Yeah, we're gonna call it that. Reason why my accent changed just cause my mother's side kicking in. Sorry, country or Texas, part Canadian too. Yeah, so I talk like that. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna talk like that. That's the worst voice ever. Okay, let's just get this baby out of the way. Okay. Yeah, fix the camera. Okay, I'm fixing the camera. Okay, thank you. So what you need is you need children's safe scissors, like a little tiny square of paper or construction paper in my way. Some duct tape in my way, which is basically just washi tape. What you need you need to cut out a square of paper, so we don't need those scissors anymore. So just get your square of paper, get your paint marker. Hold on, please. Let me get my marker. Okay, so now I want you to write something on it. What do you want me to write? Just anything. Okay, oh, well, we're having technical difficulties. Okay, so now just write your thing on the thing. Let me get a piece of paper that's not purple or black, so you can see the markers. Okay, so I'm just gonna write hi. Okay, girl, now what you're going to do is you can grab that tape. Okay, I've got the tape. And you're going to want to just peel it off. Okay, and use scissors and cut it. Okay, girl, you taking way too slow. Let me do this. You can't do it right, because I'm older than you. Oh yeah, it's true, girl. But guess what? I was made even before you were made, because I'm something, I don't know what I am. So yeah. Okay, so this video, I'm just gonna make into a 10 part. Okay, bye. Okay, well, she is asleep. She does not know I'm not in this video yet. So while she is asleep, I'm going to get a camera set up and I'm going to place it on her head. So in the morning, when she wakes up, she's gonna see it on her head. say hi. Oh my gosh, this thing we made yesterday. Gosh darn it. I'm just like having. Okay, Chloe, what did you do for me? Do you want to see me? Yeah, you just had a stream on the camera. Oh, yeah. Well, who do you think is making me talk right now? You're not supposed to tell anyone that. Oh, right. But you did do my eyebrows good. Thank you. Just read out piece of paper. Just got stuck on my finger. So I don't know what to do now. So I'm just gonna go back to sleep. And yeah, so she's gonna make a video on how she did my makeup and stuff. Bye.